Yeah. They're gonna charge me $100 for not blowing, bro.
You're not listening.
I am listening.
Hang on.
Bro, this thing.
Relax. You don't just have to do what you want.
Bro, they're gonna charge me $100.
You let us know.
On the 5th of March 2025 in Illinois, officers stopped a vehicle for expired registration. The stop ended in an arrest for obstruction. What follows is the legal analysis.
Plates are expired.
Oh, really?
You got your driver's license insurance on you?
I don't have no license.
You don't?
No, they're suspended.
Huh?
They're suspended.
Okay.
But luckily for me, yeah.
You got insurance?
How they suspended? I seen you going that way. Why did you come this way?
Huh?
Why did you follow me this way? I seen you going that way.
Which way? I drive all over through that neighborhood.
Oh, man, you was going that way. I was coming this way.
Okay, your plates are expired, so who's in the wrong? You or me? Me? Okay. You got weed in the car, man? I can smell it.
No.
No? But smells like it.
It's legal, right?
It is. Yeah. But I can still ask you, right?
Oh.
Right?
That's not probable cause, right?
Probable cause for what? I can ask you anything I want, right?
I don't have to answer, right?
That's fine.
Oh, okay.
Okay, hop out for me.
What am I hopping out for?
Because I asked you to.
For what, though?
Because I told you to.
For what?
Because this is my traffic stop, and I can tell you, I don't have to have probable cause to get out of the car.
What are you grabbing me for?
Because you're getting back in the car.
Now, so what? I didn't even do nothing to get out of the car. What did I do? I'm sitting here, you asked me for my insurance. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to... Man, bro, what the...
Just step back here so we can talk.
What are you grabbing on me for, man?
You want to get in my face?
Bro,
stop.
What the f*** is you grabbing me for? I didn't...
Step back.
What the f*** is going on with you, dude?
Step back.
You got a f***ing problem.
Put your fingers in my face.
You got a f***ing problem. You got a f***ing problem. Because I ain't even do shit to you. He asked me for my... Bro, I didn't do shit, though.
Stop.
What the f*** is he grabbing me for?
Stop. Because he asked you to get out of the car.
So what? I don't have... No, he said... He asked... For what?
Because that's the law.
For what? For license and insurance. He asked for my license and insurance.
He asked you to get out of the car.
For what, though? What's the problem? For what?
Calm down. Everybody just needs to calm down.
Man, bro, that was some bullshit. You grabbed me, bro.
I did, because you...
Bro, I would have beat your ass if you...
Are you threatening me?
Because you grabbing me for nothing, bro.
That's enough.
I don't like that.
That's enough.
I don't like people touching
All
on
right,
me.
that's enough. That's enough.
What's wrong with
that
this dude,
enough.
man? He came up to the car with an attitude from the beginning, bro.
Calm down.
Look, ass. That's some ass shit, bro, because I ain't even do nothing, bro.
Bring it down a notch.
I ain't even do anything, bro.
You're yelling at me. You're yelling at everybody.
I'm yelling at him.
Calm down.
Yes.
Calm down.
Whole ass dude, man. Because I ain't even do shit.
All right, let's go get to the next step.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
Let's
I don't have like I'm suspended, but I got my lower lies in there. That was another thing.
All right,
He's about it smells like marijuana. It's fucking legal. I don't have no marijuana in the car. But you grabbing me though, bro.
And if he smelled it and he asked you to get out of the car, then you gotta get out of the car.
I would have, man, dude, you don't even know me like that, but you be grabbing on me, man.
All right, I'm gonna pat you down real quick, all right?
Yeah, go ahead, man. I would have got you.
You would have got me what?
That would have got you hurt, man.
Don't say anything you're gonna regret.
I don't regret saying what I'm saying.
Okay, but don't say anything you're gonna regret that's gonna get you charges.
That was crazy.
It's not. If I tell you, listen, man.
Bro,
let me talk for a second. Let me tell you something.
We're gonna restart this.
Okay.
Yeah, if he smelled cannabis, all right, and he asked you to get out of the car, then you got to get out of the car.
Yeah, I understand all that.
Okay. So that's where we're at. That's where we're at. Well, if somebody refuses to get out of the car, that's what happens. Okay. I'm gonna be real.
And you stepped to get back into the car.
I'm not gonna relive it. Do what you gotta do.
So the cannabis jar that's under your seat, is there weed in it?
Man, go search, man. You pull me out the car.
Okay.
Gone, man. You ran me out the car for it. You want to
see here, and I explained to you why.
Okay, wait.
Because he smelled.
Okay, well, don't talk anymore. Just go in there and...
39, you can slow down.
I have to...
Hang on.
Bro, this thing...
Relax. You don't just have to do what you want.
Bro, they're going to charge me $100.
You let us know and then we'll let you.
Bro, they're going to charge me $100 for not blowing on the thing, bro.
You're detained now.
For what? They're going to charge me $100 for not blowing, bro.
You're not listening.
I am listening. They're going to charge me, bro. I don't have the money to be doing that, bro. They're going to charge me $100. I'm trying to explain that to you.
Turn around.
Oh my God, bro, they're gonna charge me money for not blowing in this thing, bro. Oh, are you serious, bro?
Yeah.
Bro, they're gonna charge me, man.
Stop.
Bro, they're gonna charge me for not blowing, bro.
There's weed in there?
No.
There's a jar with some in it.
Hey, bro, it's like, bro, they're gonna charge me for not blowing that thing, bro. I'm gonna get in trouble.
It's the least of your worries.
Why not? I ain't even doing shit. That's the legal thing to do, right? It's the blowing the thing, right? That's all
When you have an opportunity to, but right now you don't.
He started running his mouth immediately.
Relax. You need to relax.
Bro, they're gonna charge me, bro. $100. Bro, they charge you $100, bro.
You're gonna chuck yourself in
I'm
a
trying
jail.
to tell. They charge me $100 every time I miss.
Well, right now,
if I miss
if you would have gone over the road program, you would have that opportunity. Right now, you don't.
Oh my God. Are you a lieutenant?
I'm a sergeant.
Sergeant, why you acting like that towards me, man?
Hey, I was good. I was good until you stopped listening to me.
Sarge, you didn't say nothing.
I was good until you stopped listening.
Sarge, you didn't say nothing.
Because you got weed in the car.
Bro, no, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, it's not.
Yeah, that's why he smelled it.
Bro, no, it's. Tell him bring the weed out.
Then there's a container with weed in it.
Where's the weed at?
I'll show you when we're
Right,
done.
please.
It reeks of weed.
Huh? It reeks with that, but it's legal.
Don't start.
It's legal. I don't care about you searching. There's nothing in there.
But you have to get out so we can search. Right?
That's not probable cause to pull me out the car.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. It's
Yes,
not in the
it
state of Illinois. No, it's not.
Yes,
Sarge, come on now, man.
You're gonna
know better.
You're gonna chuck yourself into going for obstructing. I do know better.
You know better, bro.
I know a lot better than you.
I didn't do anything. He pulled up, bro. He pulled me up.
I was right here. You're doing
No, bro, I hit D.
You are doing something
Bro.
wrong. He requested you to exit the vehicle, and you did not.
And he told me he didn't have an ID, which is right here. He has two IDs.
I was right there.
You're right. Yeah, everything in that script.
What is it?
Anxiety pills.
What are the little orange ones?
Anxiety pills.
Shit, man. That's what you said the
That's
first time. What are they called?
Anxiety pills. That's all I
You don't
know.
have a prescription on you. We'll just charge you with possession of
Is it right there in the thing? My name's on there, right?
The big white one.
My name's on there, right?
What's the matter? The different
The ibuprofens.
The big ones are?
Yeah, man.
So
I don't do drugs, man. You right.
All right, man, you're going to go to jail for obstructing and possession of open cannabis in the car.
Come on.
I'm not going to charge you with assault.
I didn't touch. Your camera was on, right?
Yeah.
I didn't touch.
Do you know the difference between assault and battery?
Bro, you grabbed me, though, but you
listen, it doesn't matter. I'm not going to argue about it, but you're under arrest.
Come
Okay,
on, bro.
you're going to get in my car. You're getting in my car.
Come on, man.
Do you have anything hidden on you?
No, man.
Okay.
Bro, come on, I won't arrest you for that. I'm actually nice, man. I gotta pick my daughter up. Bro, I'm gonna see. Listen, man. Listen.
And you made your plate. Get in my car. Get in the car.
Bro. Come on, bro.
You made your plate. Get in the car.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Get in the car.
I'm
gonna force you in the car.
No.
Watch your
Can I get my car?
Get your car?
Yeah.
You'll get your car.
Can I have somebody come pick it up?
No, it's gonna get towed.
Come on, bro. Are you serious?
You made your bed.
Come on, bro. No, I didn't. Come on, bro. Now. I'm in the car. Bro, come on, man. Bro, don't do this to me, bro, please.
I didn't do anything but do my job.
Bro.
You got anything hidden on you, man?
Bro. Listen, man, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. Talk to me, man to man, bro. Come on, bro.
I tried.
Bro, please. You grabbed me, though, bro.
You know why?
I don't like people grabbing me, bro.
Okay.
Let me tell you
That's
something.
great.
Bro.
You can't get in the car, back in the car when I tell you to get out.
Bro, I wasn't on that, though. Bro, I had to blow in the blower, bro. I was going to get charged for that, man.
Okay.
$100
Okay, back up.
Bro. You a little I should spit in your face.
Do it.
Open this back up. I swear to God, I'm spitting in your face.
You're getting charged with assault.
Open it up. Open it up.
Gonna need you to wait 95 miles in jail.
That shit, bro, because you know you bogus, bro. You not even do shit.
124-186. 124-186.
Bro, that's some ass shit. You know I ain't even do shit, bro.
Let the jail know that it's gonna be an unruly. He's trying to kick my window out.
No. Get this motherfucker down. I'll break this motherfucker down. You got me.
Grundy 28. I'm gonna go light siren to the jail.
You a bitch. You a yes bitch. You a bitch. I'm gonna beat you, little ass. You little. I'll break this.
Grundy G28. He just took his seatbelt off. He's trying to break my back window.
this shit. Let's go. Let's go. Little funky ass. Good ass bitch.
You're gonna get me?
Yeah, because that's you lost the you did. You grabbed it for no fucking reason.
Is it? All our fault, right? I told you out there.
Yeah, it was. Y'all
You got your day in court, and then you. So
that's the one, bro. Because here, the one, bro.
All right,
Russ, so you can do whatever, bro.
Listen.
Obstructing.
Right.
If there's damage to the car.
Let me explain to you what.
Government property.
Let me explain what is going to happen. If you don't go on with the program, they'll just hold you.
And the cannabis.
Bro, I'd be out. I don't care.
Well, not if they can't process you. I don't care. Okay, well then you can go sit in the back.
It doesn't matter, man.
Is it?
So your buddy coming in here putting his hand in my face. His fingers in my face. I shouldn't be in fear for my life. Get the fuck out of here. That's some phony ass.
You want to stay here or do you want to go home?
Man, y'all tripping.
Do you want to stay here?
It don't matter, man.
Well, it doesn't matter to me. It's your choice.
It don't matter.
So you can go along with the process. And
I'll still be out today. It don't matter. I can see it all day. I got time.
Right, not until they process you.
I got time today.
All right. Well, if you want to sit and do that, that's up to you. Or you can just get this paperwork and leave. That's all it is. So just go along with the program and you'll be out.
Thank you.
It doesn't do you any good to get all hostile and yell. You'll have your day in court.
A lawful traffic stop needs only reasonable suspicion of a violation, and expired registration meets it. Driving on a suspended license is a Class A misdemeanor under 625 ILCS 56 to 303. The driver claimed the smell of cannabis was not probable cause. Under Illinois law, the answer depends on whether the odor is raw or burnt. In People v. Redmond 2024, IL 129201, the Illinois Supreme Court held that the odor of burnt cannabis alone is not probable cause to search a vehicle. In People v. Molina 2024, IL 129237, the same court held that the odor of raw cannabis alone does establish probable cause. That rule rests on 625 ILCS 511 to 502.15, which requires cannabis in a vehicle to be kept in a sealed odor-proof container. Under Pennsylvania v. Mims 434 U.S. 106, an officer may order a driver out of the car during any lawful stop with no separate justification required. Any force used is judged under Graham v. Connor 490 U.S. 386 by objective reasonableness at the moment, not by hindsight. Under 720 ILCS 53-1-1 obstruction requires a physical act that materially impedes an officer. Arguing and staying silent are protected and are not crimes. The lesson is clear. The driver's words were lawful, but his physical refusal to exit created the offense. A stop is challenged in court, not at the roadside. Attempting to damage the patrol vehicle added a charge of criminal damage to property under 720 ILCS 52-1-1.